Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the power path right. Plug the original Oppo charger and cable into a reliable wall socket because charger output directly affects charging speed. Once done, inspect and clean the phone's charging port with compressed air or a soft brush so contacts mate firmly. Make sure the cable is undamaged and fully inserted. A loose or frayed cable increases resistance and slows charging, so replace it if you see wear or inconsistent fit. You now reduce the phone's power consumption so available current goes into the battery faster. Turn on airplane mode to cut radios and force stop or swipe away background apps that use CPU, especially streaming or navigation apps. Once done, disable Bluetooth and GPS, set brightness to minimum or lock the screen, and avoid using the phone during charging. These steps lower active drain and let the charger deliver more effective charging current for a quicker finish by watching the first 10-15 minutes. Check for steady charging and a normal temperature. If the phone becomes very hot, unplug and let it cool because thermal throttling will slow charging. Make sure the charging icon and percent climb smoothly. If the rate is erratic, restart the phone and retest to clear software glitches. If problems persist, swap in another original or certified high-output adapter and cable to isolate hardware faults and restore fast charging behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.